Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to change the video background in Higgsfield. First, open Google Chrome and search for Higgsfield. Then click on the Higgsfield website from the search results. Once the website opens, click on Video from the top menu. Now click on Sign Up or Log In from the top right corner. Then select Continue with Google and sign into your account. After signing in, click on Video from the top menu again. Here select Kling 01 Edit or another video editing model available on your account. Now click Upload a video to edit and choose the video whose background you want to change. You can also upload images, elements, or reference backgrounds that you want to use in the edited video. Once the upload is complete, click on the prompt box. Now enter a prompt such as, replace the current background with the uploaded image while keeping the person unchanged, or describe the new background you want. You can make the prompt more detailed to get better results, such as specifying colors, scenery, lighting, or environment. Then review your settings and make sure the correct video and reference image are selected. Now click Generate or Start Edit and wait for Higgsfield to process the video. After the edit is complete, preview the result to check whether the background has been changed correctly. If needed, adjust the prompt and generate the video again for a better result. Once you're satisfied with the output, download the edited video to your computer. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.